everyone. Today is another Sunday, so that means it is time for another clay wash. In addition to my clay wash, as you guys can see in the title, I am going to be doing a henna gloss treatment because I have recently embarked on my journey of using henna. I don't have a henna application video yet for you guys, but on my next one, which is in about 2 weeks, I will try to get that recorded so you guys can see how I've been applying the henna to my hair. But today, I do have some of my henna that's mixed up right here, and I'm going to be making a henna gloss with that after I do my clay wash. I took the liberty of doing the measurements of my clay wash ingredients, and I mixed up a big batch of that so I don't have to separately mix that up every time. If you guys didn't see my clay wash video, my updated clay wash video, I will try to get that one linked either above or down below. One of those places so you guys can check it out. It shows everything that goes in there and then how I apply it, which I'm not going to go through today. But like I said, I just have it all mixed up. So I'm going to go ahead and take my hair down now so we can see what my hair is looking like. I'm not going to lie, my hair has been in this bun for about 2 or 3 days. But it's looking pretty good. As you guys can see, I don't know if you can tell, my hair color has slightly changed, and that is due to that henna that I've started using, but I don't mind it. If it gets too light, I will just you know, add some indigo or something. So this is what we're looking like right now. As you guys can see, my hair is very, very shiny. I want to show you guys something else that I've made. I made an infused oil, and I actually have another batch of this in the works. And then maybe I'll do a video on that, or I'll post the details on that. But this stuff right here is infused with, it has like amla, there's henna in there, there's olive oil, there's, oh my gosh, the hibiscus, aloe. There's so much stuff in here, fenugreek. And this is what I've been using since I started that henna journey. And I've just noticed, like, my hair, I haven't added anything in my hair, and honestly, don't get mad, about 3 days, like I said, my hair has been in that bun, and it's like so shiny still. The ends are not that bad because they have been protected, but my hair overall is just feeling so much better. And I am thinking that maybe it's the oil and just being more consistent with my hair treatments. I think that's really helping me out. So like I said, I'm going to go ahead, apply my clay wash, let that sit, and then once it's time for me to do the henna gloss, I'll come back to you guys so you guys can see how I mix up my henna gloss and how I apply it and what my hair looks like after washing that out. So if you guys want to see the results of that, make sure you guys stay tuned. Alright, you guys, so now as you guys can see, my hair is fully dry by the color. It's this nice ashy looking color. So what I'm going to do now is just go ahead and wash this out. This is my clay wash for you guys who didn't see that part, and I will have that link down below or up in the eye above. Just kind of look out for it. So yeah, I'm going to wash this out, and then I'll come back and we will get started on mixing up this henna gloss. This is just some of the henna that was left over from my lash treatment. I don't plan to use leftover henna from going forward, but this is just what I had left over. And then I'm going to be mixing it with this conditioner right here and a little bit of oil. But enough about that. Let's go ahead and get right into it. Done with washing out the clay treatment. This is my hair right now with no products on it. So you guys can see like my curls, all that kind of stuff right there. I love that my hair is growing back in the front. It looks so sad right here, you guys. But you guys can see how thick it is up here. So it's definitely growing in. I'm thinking I might cut this off and just have bangs in the front. That's really looking like an option for me right now because I really don't like this thin piece of hair right here. And I think that'll be a good length for some bangs, maybe put some bangs in the front. What do you guys think? I don't know. But yeah, let's go ahead and get into mixing up my henna gloss. So the first thing I want to do, so I'm going to open up my little jar. And I will say, make sure that you do use some gloves with this because it can still stain. But this is the henna gloss I'm using. It's probably a little more than I actually need, but I want to use this up. So I'm gonna go ahead and put this into my bowl right quick. I'm trying to do this without getting it on my hands. When I mixed my henna up, I did mix it like really thick, and since then I learned that I don't really need it that thick, but you know, I'm learning. So yeah, but when I did mix it up, I didn't have no problem with applying it to my hair, and I didn't really make a mess because mine was, like I said, it was so thick. And it's so thick now, like I'm having a hard time even getting it out of here because it's that thick of a paste that I made. So once I get this into the bowl, okay, there we go, finally. All right, so now I have my henna in a bowl and it looks absolutely disgusting. I'm going to add some of my conditioner. I'm probably gonna do an equal amount of conditioner just because I have so much henna in a bowl. From what I've seen, you're supposed to use maybe about 2 tablespoons or so, but you know, it's not a big deal. So I'm just gonna go ahead and add some of this to the bowl, and I'll show you guys as soon as I get it in there. This is supposed to kind of like thin it out and make it easier to apply. I'll set that down. So this is what we're looking like right now. That's just the chunky henna, and then we have my conditioner in there. I'll have the information. There it is, so you guys can see it if you guys are interested in it. And then I'm gonna add some of that oil blend that I mentioned earlier. Like I said, I don't have a video or anything about this right now because it's still kind of in the experimental testing stages, and I don't really like to put out too much information or stuff like that until like I fully tested it and make sure that your hair is not gonna, you know, fall out your head or something, or that all my hair don't fall out. So I'm just gonna add a little bit of that in there just for some extra moisture boost, and it's looking like that now. So I'm gonna go ahead, get this mixed up, and I'll show it to you guys, and then we can get started applying this to the hair. There we have it right there. So this is what it's looking like. I don't want to move it too much because it is a little looser, and you can kind of see the oil slick in there. So I'm just gonna keep mixing that around in there. Like I said, my henna was extremely thick. So yeah, first thing I want to do is just make sure I section my hair off. I'm not going to talk all the way through this part right here because once you see it, it's pretty self-explanatory, and I don't really feel like I need to talk, which I can do a lot of. So I'm just going to go ahead, speed this up, and hopefully you guys get the gist of what I'm doing. And then toward the end, I'll pop back on so you guys can see it, and we'll just see how my hair turns out. Let's get into it.
Hey baby, do you believe me when I say I miss you so? It seems like your mind is elsewhere whenever we're on the phone, always on the go, like you got a place to be, never on your own. Something you're not telling me yet. I believe it's true, you're wrong for someone new. I've never felt this stupid, thinking I'm enough for you. Tell me, is she cute? Is she my substitute? I've never felt so certain that I've had enough for you. Hey cheetah, do you feel better now that you've broken my trust? Oh, boy, do you even remember that love is more than just love?
All right, you guys, so if you guys didn't hear in the beginning of this little section of me applying the henna gloss to my hair, what I did do, I put the towel down on the floor because this can get messy, like especially like if a drop of it like comes down to the bottom and falls off, which I've had a couple of little clumps end up down there. So you don't want it to get on the floor. And because I'm using so much henna in my henna gloss, I am using gloves because it can, and it most likely will stain if I wasn't wearing the gloves. So I just wanted to make sure that my floor and my hands and stuff were covered. I didn't put any really around like my face. I'll wipe that off after I wrap my hair up with either a plastic bag or some plastic wrap, which I'm going to leave on for about 4 hours. But you guys, this is what it looked like. Usually when I do the henna, I do go in neater sections, but I just apply this like I normally apply like my deep conditioner. And I just apply that into like chunky sections, and then I just work my fingers through. As you guys can see right now, I have not used any other tools other than my fingers in my hair, and my fingers are just gliding right through. And I do that a lot to make sure that the product is distributed evenly throughout my hair. I did focus first most in the front of my hair because that's where I had the most breakage at, and I really wanted to make sure I got a good amount of it in this section right up here. But other than that, it's all applied to my hair now, and I hope my wash and go come out like this, because these curls are popping. Like, look at that, y'all. Those look good. I don't care. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead. I'm gonna wrap my hair up now for about 4 hours or so, and then I'll rinse this out, at which point I'll just do a wash and go and call it a day. But I will let you guys see what my hair looks like after rinsing this out. So if you guys want to see those end results, make sure you guys stay tuned to the end of the video. All right, you guys, so it's been about 4 hours, and I just finished rinsing out that henna gloss that I just did, which was a combination of my henna, a little bit of my infused oil, and I used some of this conditioner right here that can be used as a deep conditioner. I left that in my hair for the 4 hours, and I just rinsed it out. So this is my hair now with no product in it at all. And that's it, you guys. That was my henna gloss for today. Right now my hair is super soft right now. I'm gonna go ahead and just do a wash and go on this, and I'll keep you guys updated. Probably next week I may be doing a full henna treatment. My plan is to do a full henna treatment every month, and then every 2 weeks just do a henna gloss. And I'll continue to do that as long as my hair is doing well with it. If I feel like I'm running into any snags or it just don't seem to be doing well for my hair, then I'm going to change the plan. But so far, it's been going really well, and I'm really liking the results. Again, I know I mentioned it earlier, but I'm thinking in this section in the front where it broke off that I might just cut this into like bangs or something, because it's the only area of my hair that's like that, and it's not damaged hair or anything. It just went poof. I can't even explain it. It just went poof. But yeah, you guys, that's it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you guys have any questions on how I mix my henna, I'll go ahead and let you guys know, but I do plan to do a video for that because I don't have one right now. Or if you have more questions on the henna gloss, feel free to drop a comment down below. Don't forget to like, share, comment, click the bell so you guys don't miss out on all the other videos I have coming to you guys. And with that said, I hope you guys have a great day. Bye.